In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do twin meteors in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use twin meteor. This is going to work for any platform, so PC, mobile, or console. You just have to press the specific buttons related on each platform. So first, you will have to be playing as the vessel to be able to execute twin meteors. So once you are playing as the vessel, the first thing that you have to do is fill out your awakening bar. So as you can see for me, it is currently filled out and I can press G to activate it. Keep in mind that I am doing this process on a private server where I have infinite awakening and no cooldowns, but if you are doing this on an actual public server, then you need to attack other opponents until you fill out this bar. So once you awaken, you will see the usual animation, and now what you have to do is press a very specific combination of buttons. You will have to press 1, 3, 2, and then R in quick succession. If you do it properly, you will see Scale of the Dragon, Recoil, Twin Meteors, and you will see the world cutting slash or twin meteors go out. So I'm gonna reset cooldowns to demonstrate this once again, and this is all you have to do. Like I said, if you are doing this process on another platform, apart from PC, then you just need to press the buttons respective to your first ability, your third ability, your second ability, and then special. On mobile, it should be pressing 1, 3, and 2 at the bottom of your screen and then tapping the star icon. And if you are able to get it done, this is what it looks like. As you can see, I actually missed the last part because I didn't use my special, so it stopped midway through the animation. So this is why you have to spam your ability at the end. This ability does a lot of damage, and the more players that are caught on it, the more damage it's going to do. If you are too late with the buttons, you will see these animations instead. So this is why you have to do it in quick succession. Don't be too slow or you won't be able to get the timing. So make sure that you do 1, 3, 2, and then spam R, and you will be able to do twin meteors in Jujutsu Shenanigans on any platform. So once again, you press Dismantle, Rush, and then Open, and then spam your special ability. I hope I was able to help you on how to do twin meteors in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.